What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are going backwards a little bit because we ran into some problems because I'm not a good measurer of things. So when we got new pistons, things weren't exactly right. And so I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to include. But long story short, the pistons come out too far. So a solution that I'm going to try is we're going to take the deck plate off and put a gasket in between here to bring the deck plate and sleeves up and bring the pistons back down. All right, so we've made some progress, which looks like going backwards right now. We have the crank back out of the engine, taken all the way back down to the block because we ended up driving the sleeves out like I was thinking about doing the other day, but we didn't use the dry ice. It was just a punch them down, get a pry bar, pull them up, and now where we are at is I just finished drilling out the bottom gasket to go underneath the deck plate to lift the deck plate and the sleeves up. My dad's cleaning up the deck plate now, and then we're going to work on getting the deck plate on, the sleeves put in, and then we should be back to where we were, I think, last week. So keep on keeping on. All right, we are calling it a night. We have made some awesome progress tonight. Got the head on and clamped. So the head is on and not coming back off. We're gonna let it hang out overnight, torque these one more time in the morning, let everything relax, and then we can put the rockers on. So while I was just making some forward progress, put the intake on, put the exhaust manifold on, you know, one of these little side bracket deals here, nothing crazy, but man, we have hit some serious roadblocks because I'm not a machinist, I'm not an engine builder. I constantly was hitting roadblocks, talking to people that I trust, getting information, putting it together. It's nice when we're able to fix our own stuff, put our own stuff together. That's what I like doing. So it makes it all the more better when we do make it down the track. So cross my fingers I did everything right. We'll check all of our torques again. Everything spins over really nice. We can make it happen. That's what Truck Bone's about. Put your own stuff together. Build your own trucks, dude. It is so worth it. It's the best. It's what I live to do. So today's the big day. We are rolling the truck out, and we are going to work on getting the motor put in. So super excited. Today is the day of the Buck, so we missed that, but hey, we are definitely in great shape to make it to the season opener for Fonda. So let's get this girl out in the sunlight for the first time, see what we can do to her. All right, so I don't think I took any videos yesterday, but we made a ton of progress. The engine's in, transmission's in, drive shafts are done. Only problem I'm running into now is going to put the when I'm trying to put the last push rod in, don't got room, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cut, nip, and see if we can get the push rod in, because if not, I don't wanna take the engine out to put a push rod in, and we're not gonna do that. We're gonna keep chopping the truck apart until we can. All right, so we tried a hole saw from inside the cab, and that didn't work. We tried grinding the cab up to the windshield, and that didn't work. So we ground into the windshield with t-shirts on everything, and push rod is now serviceable. We are back in the shop on Sunday. We are taking the valve train apart, giving the head a torque because we had it running the other day, got it nice and warm. Give the head gaskets a torque, lash all the valves again, and do all of our final prep up for the year. Data logger was working really good. We got Mark's truck in here just for a couple little things to check over before first call at Mohawk. Hopefully it doesn't rain this Friday. It's looking like it's gonna, but we're still gonna get ready, so we're ready whenever. So yeah, just a little bit of a standard break-in maintenance, torque the heads, check the oil, and go from there. So yeah, keep you guys updated. Engine's in. We've made a couple test passes, test launches. Maybe put one in right here for you guys to see. And we are just putting the final touches on. Put the new compressor blanket on. We're gonna work on finishing welding up our new exhaust with the containment system on it, that big guy there. Pops is all set already, so now I'm just the last one hanging around, waiting to get done. So I'm gonna get on it. Catch you guys.